let me introduce you to my new workspace. That's right, I bit the bullet. I have sacrificed all the money I have and I have rented out this area here, become my personal garage. Give you a quick rundown on the size. This is 17 by 13 feet. And yeah, I can actually fit 2 cars, so 1 car on this side and 1 car on this side, and I'm gonna work on them simultaneously.
Don't let them see you, bitch. Always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, don't get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So
a little update on the workshop. As we can see, we got the back wall with the door, the side wall, the roof, and even the cage area around the top there. And that is put like that because, as you know, Malaysia is hot. So we need some sort of ventilation in order to get the air out. Yeah, so here we are. I mean, trying to work out the lighting. I think, wow, this lighting is actually pretty good. Of course, this side has nothing done yet. I mean, I'm thinking about putting a light beam down there and another one at the back with a power point in the middle there, so I can put the fan or another light or anything or whatever tool that I'm using. This side I think is bright enough, but I might have to put some light on the top as well. So these are just ideas, so then when I make the videos it should be bright enough for everyone to see. Yeah, just get some work done. So yeah, that's the progress on the workshop. More to come soon. Update, but during the daytime now. As you can see, my door is now being made. It's one of those stacker doors. Having a bit of issues with the bearings of it because the doors ended up being heavier than we expected. So, and that's even without the covers on them yet, you know. It's still just the framework. I wanted it to be solid, of course. Yeah, just need to upgrade the bearings and the wheels and that, and that's it. But everything else, I mean, the mesh all on the top already installed. The frame has got the door already set. There. So when I don't want to open the whole stack of doors, I can just open that one side door, which is good. Yeah. What else? Yeah, the concrete is all good. Everything's looking good. I can't believe it's actually happening. You know, like this is a dream of mine, and it's finally being put to work. Of course, a lot of sacrifices made. I'm glad I've got the support from my wife, and even my mom actually has helped me a lot with this. Yeah, I want to give a big thank you to them, especially my wife, because she's put up with a lot of stress on my side in trying to make things happen. She's been strong and supportive, so thank you, wifey, if you're watching this. She never watches my video, but either way. Oh yeah, I've decided I'm gonna have like probably 8 lights. So on the top, we're gonna have 4 lights. This side, we're gonna have 1, another one there, and then on this side, it'll be the same thing, like just like 1 there and 1 there like that. So a total of 8 lights. So this place is gonna be nice and bright. So when I do the videos, it'll be easy to see. And after that, I will have a working light as well. So if let's say I'm working by night, I'm inside the car and all the lights are being covered by the, say the roof of the car or something like that, I'll still have a light inside so you can see exactly what I'm doing. All of this is gonna get removed. The sink, I'm gonna put it towards the back over there. This section here is gonna be where the air compressor sits. The air compressor is gonna be covered by a shelf, a working shelf. Yeah, that's pretty much it, huh? On this side, I'm gonna stack the toolbox, and then on this side here, I'm gonna have 1 car, and at the back, 1 more car there. So I'm working 2 cars at a time. That's the plan. I can even do 3 because there's plenty of room here for 3, but we'll see what happens, huh? Anyway, that's a daytime update. I think because I'm always working, the only time that I have is at night. Most of my videos are made at night or evening. Yeah, I was lucky to get out here during the day so we can see exactly what it looks like, huh? New updates coming along soon, huh? Oh yeah. That's where all the little cats and rats can get through. Oh yeah, yeah, nice.
One eternity later.
Back at the workshop, The construction guy has finished doing all the metal work already. What is left to do is just the water piping, the relocating and everything. But we're gonna take advantage now and paint this wall. As you can see, I've got all the boys working. Look at this, look at this. Hurry up, man. I'm not paying you by the hour. Even Omar here. So yeah, we're gonna just clean up everything, clean up the floor, clean up the walls. We're gonna mask up all the electrical piping, scrub the wall down, and then start painting. So not long until this place is already set up, because it's already one more week until the official opening of this workshop. So gonna get to work. It's good that I have the boys here helping me, because if I do it alone, I'll run out of time and I won't be able to get anything done. So grateful for the boys. I need to let go of the camera now and start working before I start complaining. So here we go.
I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety. We make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it.
Just to show that Azim is doing some work, you know?
Not like one of those, what do they call influencers that pretend to do work. And then post it like, I'm helping. Alright, I had to take the camera away from Imran because he was revealing too many secrets. Now the boys are getting the filler ready to patch up these holes. Look at the man work, huh?
Very professional.
Very professional.
You cannot rush art.
Omar, he's got all these things already wrapped up. Yeah, he's the only one that can do it because he's the only one tall enough.
Azim's life is in my hands. I'm the safety officer.
Maybe you want to put it like this? Square. What?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, eh?
Yeah. So this one, the shortest one is around 77.
The shorter side, yeah.
Yeah, 77 this one. 77 here. And this one?
Across all the way
Yeah.
is 170.
170 this one.
How much? You put thinner first.
Don't tell me that we're going to move it in by hand, yeah?
I don't know. Shafi, bro, how much thinners do we put onto this? It looks thick. To me, it looks thick because when you paint cars, it has to be a lot thinner than that, you know?
Right, painting work has begun. Right, we have on the right side Omar being very delicate with the switch boxes. Azim extending his armpit.
Alright, so it's night time. As you can see, it is really bright in here with all the lights turned on. Earlier on today, I had to leave because I had a potluck to attend to with my wife, you know. I had to leave the boys painting alone, but the other boys had to leave as well. Only Omar stayed back and he finished the whole wall. Check it out. Now, that's only one coat and he didn't do the bottom of it as well because, yeah, I don't know, he got tired, he said, and yeah, and he left, but I mean, still, look at this. It looks so much better in here, huh? Now, I'm just gonna finish the bottom section of it, and then I'm gonna come back tomorrow and do another coat in the morning or something, and then at night, I'll probably come and do another coat because I want it to look nice and dark and all even, because if you notice on this side here, it's still a bit, still see some of the wall, the color of the wall coming through, so we're gonna take care of that. Let's just get to it, start painting and finish up for the night. Can't get over how bright it is in here, look at this. This is awesome, huh? Anyway, let's get to it, huh? Here we go. Working after hours, huh?
overtime.
Overtime.
Without the overtime pay, obviously.
course.
And we have our supervisor. Yeah, also a safety officer. Trying to get the paint job even. I took some weird angle of Azim, you know. Yeah. Oh, look at that.
This is YouTube, not OnlyFans.
See, like this morning it was off-white color and then with a lot of smudges and dirt, but now look at it. Looks like brand new. Okay, we still have the masking, but it's very bright. If I take it from this angle, you can see the light. It's very you can hardly see any shadow. Oh, this is our secret base where amazing happens.
Several days later.
Alright, so it is Friday, 2 days before the official opening of my little workshop. My sign has arrived. ZV Auto Build with the Porsche silhouette, and I wrote on the bottom here, as seen on YouTube. Now, the reason I had that is because it is not an actual full functioning workshop. This is my personal place where I will be building cars, you know? So, of course, there'll be some customers that will still bring me their cars. I know this for a fact. Plus, I still need to make money in order to support this place. So, yes, I'm gonna have my signage up and I'm gonna have it as a personal workshop. So, I'm here today. I'm gonna pull off all this wrapping around the lights and stuff like that. Just clean up a little bit and get things organized because only 2 more days. And then, yeah, then the whole place is gonna be full of people with food and drinks and karaoke. Anyway, let's get to it and start cleaning. Here we go. My mate Omar bought me a standing fan because he knew that once we're working in here and I close all the doors and stuff like that, yes, it's nice and cool in here, but it'll still get hot. So I'm gonna set up this fan real quickly, start using it while I continue working around here, keep myself nice and cool. It works good. It is a perfect size for this place and it's my 2 favorite colors. So now that we're nice and built up with the fan, thank you Omar, by the way. He bought me this fan and it's perfect. Just continue on and pulling all this tape off and get to it. Here we go. So I got the sign up, got a bit dirty so I had to wipe it down. I got all the tape off the connections there and everything. Swept a little bit, but still a lot of work to do, but I'm very tired, so I'm gonna end the video for now here. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and finish everything else off, and I think I will end the video there because tomorrow is the last day before the official opening, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.
12 o'clock midnight.
12 o'clock midnight. We only have to wash the floor now, get this thing out, move this around, and then just wash the whole floor and then start cleaning up everything before tomorrow. So I'm tired. Hey, I've been awake for 20 hours already and only slept 4 last night, so pushing it, but we had to get it done, huh? All right, it's time to wash the floor. Here we go.
Housekeeping.
And we are done for the night. We have washed the floor. We got the car parked inside already. My mate's motorcycle here. This is Imran's motorcycle. He is going to build it up himself, you know. And of course, we're gonna help him out, make videos on it and enjoy it. But anyway, this guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I'm very tired. We did it. We managed to clean the whole place. We managed to build the whole place. And tomorrow is the big opening. So yeah, we're gonna leave it up to there, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Remember to share as well. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.